Okay, I want you to look at this, okay? This junk dropped harder than an Avicii beat. Okay, it dropped harder than my long division grade in middle school. This is all done by one man. This is Bitcoin's chart today, okay? And if you didn't feel this, then you're not paying attention to the crypto market, because Bitcoin now is below 26,000. The lowest has been in quite some time. We were in a slowly upward trajectory. Maybe there's some other outside forces and pushing that price down, but this thing dropped, and that's not just Bitcoin, it's the whole market. I mean, don't pay attention to the 1 hour, pay attention to the 24 and 7-day change. Look at this. After the 0.01% change, it's straight red lines. This is straight blood. Okay, and we got to figure out what we're doing, what we could expect here. And I'm no genius. I don't know about any of this, but you came here because you want to know. Hey, what can I bounce someone else's opinion on, whether it's contrarian to yours or mine? But I'll tell you, it's caused by one person. Okay, this is that person, Gary Gensler, chair of the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, and he had one tweet, and that's this: we're suing. Okay, we're suing Binance, and Binance is now feeling the force of the SEC. Here's the one of the articles: U.S. sues Binance and founder Zhao over web of deception. Basically, they're selling unregistered securities, and this is the same old deal that they're suing over every other crypto out there, except for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin maxis will be celebrating this. Because it makes sense. This is only bullish for Bitcoin in the long term. No one is celebrating a Bitcoin, crash, but this might be an opportunity for you and me. But Bitcoin, or rather Binance, snapped back, and they you could read this for yourself. Basically, they're saying the SEC filed the civil lawsuit against them, and they're going to be trying to productive. They're going to compromise. They want regulation clarity. But they say this: look, simply put, today's filing is unjustified by the facts, by the law, or by the Commission's own precedent. The relief sought by the Commission would harm the very investors the SEC is charged with protecting. And that is the line right here, okay? It would also stifle innovation and punish our company and industry rather than working to allow the American business to thrive. So they're saying this, that as the SEC is suing the juggernaut, the biggest exchange in the world, you're doing harm to crypto. You're doing harm to the United States. Crypto is going to go. This is a blip in the radar for crypto, for the crypto industry. It's not going to shut down the crypto industry. What it's going to do, it's progressing. In my opinion, it's progressing the march towards more regulation clarity. But if you start hitting up the biggest players in the room, they're going to leave the room. Binance is out. Coinbase can be out. They could relocate, and now we've, as America, have lost some of the biggest exchanges in the world for crypto. That's terrible for America. It's good for crypto. They're going to move to places where they're going to be allowed to operate with clarity, and that's what's happening. And for the record, the SEC telling Binance that they're dangerous is like Thanos telling Ultron that he's dangerous, and we're the Earthlings. Okay, we're caught in the crossfire between Thanos saying, "Hey, that's a dangerous guy. You shouldn't talk to that guy." Thanos is telling Ultron that he's a dangerous guy. Earthlings, you shouldn't be on his side. Or like the wolf or the lion, which is the SEC, the lion telling us, the chickens, that the wolf is a dangerous animal. You shouldn't go around that wolf. He's dangerous. But you're a lion. You're going to eat me. I'm a little chicken, okay? You and I are the chickens. You and I are the Earthlings, and we're in this crossfire. Do I trust Binance? No, okay? Are they for crypto? Yes. Do I like that? Yes. But I still believe in self-custody. I still believe the future is DeFi. I believe that we could bank the bankless. We could ditch all these controlled, like centralized exchanges been going out. Here's the other thing, okay? The SEC is looking to protect us, protect the United States citizens, protect investors. Where were you with FTX? Where were you with Three Arrows? Where were you with Celsius? Where were you? What? like this is crazy to me. So Now we come to the point where what do we do about this? What can we expect? What do we do? And for me, I'm a little bullish, or sorry, I'm a little bearish. Bullish in the long term, bearish in the short term. Here's why. We've got the Fed meeting coming June 13, I believe, and a lot of talk about skipping this rate hike. A lot of talk. Do I know for sure? No. But I would assume at least a pause. I would assume a pause. Maybe not. Maybe they're going to hike 25 BP. Maybe. Either way, if the market prices in and they expect it, then I think the market will go up at least a little bit. I think right now there's a lot of fear. I like that for buying opportunities. Don't be scared. Okay, don't be scared. Now I'm going to throw a little FUD in here because a lot of people are talking that hey, while this is a strong support, if it doesn't sustain the support right around the 25K mark, and it could drop a little lower before the Fed meeting. Now, I think if the markets don't predict the Fed meeting correctly, I think it's going to drop even lower. But that's not where I'm thinking. I think short-term bearish until the Fed meeting, and then we're going to see a little bit tick uptrend back to normal right around the $28,000 mark. That's kind of just my prediction. I don't know if it's true or not. This is not financial advice. I'm just a cowboy exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency with a whole bunch of other cowboys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Okay, I want to know a couple things. Look, is this thing bullish for crypto in the long term? Right? Is the SEC moving towards regulatory clarity? Because I'll show you. Let me show you. Let me go back to this thing. Okay, this is crazy what Gensler said. Okay, he said today's the last day to submit comments on our SEC Gov proposals on number 2, new requirements to address cybersecurity risks to the U.S. securities market. They're obviously talking about crypto. Okay, this is the biggest thing right now. It's what crashed the markets. And yeah, I require you guys to be clear on what you guys require. I think everyone wants that. And Binances of the world and Coinbases of the world and investors, we are not benefiting. There's no benefit to any of us with you being so vague and opaque about the rules. You're changing the rules. Look what they're saying. They're saying, please give us rules. This is unjustified. We'll tell you what, they're going to keep on changing it. They don't protect us. They're not here to protect you or me. And if they are, look at this. 78 members of Congress have violated a law designed to prevent insider trading and stop conflicts of interest. This was in January 3 of this year. 78 members violated the Stock Act, this insider trading. Where are you guys protecting us there? This is another one. This was just recently. Hold on. This is the members of Congress that beat SPY in 2022. Where were you guys there? Just it's like, look, I don't trust them. I don't trust the SEC. I don't trust Binance, even though they're for crypto. I believe in self-custody, but I'm in it for the long term. And my question is, are you? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.